Hi, this is to prove that this new board, the Vigino that I bought from Banggood is faulty, not able to be recognized by the USB of my PC, and I'm going to connect it into USB now. So there's power, and on my PC there's no Windows driver installed. Nothing, don't detect at all, and there's nothing here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this now, and I'm going to connect the Uno. Although I have this TFT screen here, I connect in. Right, I have acknowledgement, and in my PC, okay, the COM port Arduino is connected. So to prove it again, I take out and I reconnect this new board. Power is blinking. There's nothing here. Okay, thank you. Hope you can help.